Hey there, it's Rob from the Notion team here. Just wanted to give you a quick rundown of this year in review template and why or how you may want to use it. If you're a product manager or really anyone who wants to reflect and review this past year, then this template can really help you create a solid plan of action for next year. Product managers often use retrospectives and OKRs for guiding the success of a product, so why not use the very same tools for guiding the success of your career? Jumping straight into this template here, you can see we're met with this two-column layout. On the left side here, we're going to be jotting down things that we did well the past year, and on the right side, we're going to be jotting down things that we struggled with. We can click on this button here to add an event, and we can say something like, started a new job, and we can actually click on this toggle to open it up and expand it, and we can see some relevant questions here. We're going to do the same thing with the what I struggled with section. Let's click on that, and say we struggled with public speaking and presentations. Awesome. And we can open that up in the same way, and let's say we answer one of these questions here. How will you fix it? Well, we're going to gather resources and take classes. Awesome, and that's going to actually transition nicely into the next section here, which is our table of personal OKRs. We can see we already do have an objective here that relates to our problem that we had and some key results, but let's add a new one. Let's say one of our objectives are we want to understand more technical parts of the product. Awesome. Now we just need to add a key result, something that's measurable. So let's say we're going to be attending 3 hackathons, and we're going to press this button here that says create a new page. What you're going to see once we click that, it actually automatically creates a page in this table below. Now these two tables are related, and you're going to see in a second how. Let's fill out some of the values here. So we're going to see the initial value for attending 3 hackathons. Well, I've never been to one, so let's say 0. We're trying to attend 3 of them. We're going to put 3 here, and let's just say we went to 1 so far. And you're going to see that our progress bar does automatically update, and it is actually simultaneously updating the personal OKRs table as well. So that was just a quick rundown of this year in review template. If you want to see more templates like this, head on over to notion.so/templates.